Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Red Bull 2.0, back with another video. Alright, today we're going to be replacing the nose piece on the 2020s1000rr with this carbon piece. Alright, I looked for some videos, I didn't see any, so I figured I'd make one for you guys. In case you want to do this to your 2020s1000rr. From what I hear, it adds another 20 horsepower to your bike. Alright, so I know you need, first off, since I've never done this before, but I do know that you need a T25 to take off these bolts that are up here and underneath to get this top fairing off. Both sides are cowl. And then you need a 8mm to take off the block offs. Well, at least for mine. My side mirrors are on here too. Not my mirrors, my side signal lights are here. So I have to remove those. You see I got them on the side like that. So, alright YouTube, let's get to it. So we're going to take the windscreen off first. You need the T25. Alright, so now we got the windscreen off. We got to take off the block off plates. So right here, they use a 8mm socket to take those off. Alright, so I think now I have the mirrors off. I have the, my turn signals off on both sides. I think once we undo these, I don't know if you can see them right here, the T25 on this one, this piece should come off. But we're about to find out. All right, so be careful when taking these off on the fairing. They just pop in, but you don't want to break any of these. They slide right into those. So I used a flathead screwdriver just to kind of gently raise them. All right. So we'll do the other side. All right, so you can see what's holding this piece on is this right here. It's no bolts, so these just pop out. They actually hold this plastic piece right here, so that locks in and holds this top fairing piece or plastic piece to the bike. So once I pop those out, then I should be able to replace it with this fairing carbon fiber. All right, let's go back to work. So once you pop these plastic pieces out up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then all that's holding it inside here is the T27 2 bolts, and then this whole piece comes right off. All right, so now that we took out all the little rubber grommets that were in here, see them on the floor, we're going to replace or place them in here. Now, from what I hear is adding this piece gives you 10 horsepower. 10 horsepower. But if you take this mesh guard off, you get another 10. Total 20. Let's get it. I need all the power I can get. Alright guys, so we got it on. This is what it looks like underneath now. Looks pretty good. One key thing that I'm gonna do, I have the MRA windscreen, and when I have it on there, I notice that it's rubbing on this plastic piece right here on that corner. So I got some 3M tape, two-sided tape, and I'm gonna lay on there, but I'm not gonna take the top piece off. I'm gonna lay that on there just so that it has a little cushion so it's not rubbing up against there. But we'll be back in a second with the full put back on this, all right? All right, guys, and just like that, we are done. Everything back together. Carbon all the way through. All right. Might as well get a cold start while we're at it. I ain't got no gas.